guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today's video is so exciting and different because we bought a house. I cannot believe I'm saying that out loud. I cannot believe I'm posting this on YouTube, but I really want to share this new stage and chapter of our lives, and I want to start by showing you an empty house tour. I will get into a lot of the details in upcoming videos, but basically I wanted a house that was livable, that was pretty renovated or modern, that I didn't have to do everything to make it like my dream home, but I still want to do so many fun renovations in this house, and I can't wait to do that on my channel. So we're standing in my new kitchen. I'm wearing this because I'm sweating, but I'm so excited to show you guys everything. Follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with everything, and subscribe for more home videos. Amazon videos and try-on hauls they're here to stay, but this is just an exciting new content addition. Can't wait to make home videos, home decor videos, and show you kind of how we're renovating our house. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so here's the house. When you first walk in, it's obviously very echoey because there's nothing in here. So this is going to be my office slash filming room. I know it looks a little dark. It's pretty overcast today in Houston, but basically I'm so excited to turn this into the cutest little office. I already got the desk. I got so much furniture already. I love the color of the floors and of the walls. I'm not changing any of that, and this room gets pretty good natural light. So over here we have a nice little closet, and I might put like an entryway table here depending on how cluttered it looks. So here's that little closet. This door is pretty old, and this just looks pretty old in general, so we'll see what we do with this. Then this will be our dining room, and I already got the dining table and the chairs. I'm so excited to show y'all everything. And here's a better look, kind of like at the color of the paint. Then over here we have the kitchen. So we have the pantry right here, which in my mind, I definitely want to turn this kitchen into a bigger space because I love to cook, but this is fine for now. I'm just so lucky and thankful. I freaking love this house. So here's the pantry, and one thing I really like about this house is that it has so much storage space. Like, they have cabinets everywhere. So we have this little kitchen set up right here for like coffee and everything, and also the backsplash is already so perfect. It came with some appliances, so it came with those, and these are like soft close, which is like my love language, honestly. So tons of storage, which is so exciting. I love our little sink. Well, it's actually huge. Then we have a window right here, and then came with the dishwasher. More storage. We did have to buy the fridge. I went with this one. I loved it. It's by Samsung, and it has so many cool features. So I will definitely be doing what I eat in a day and all that good stuff. They just installed this, so I'm gonna leave that right there. But like I said, I love the amount of cabinet space and storage. This is just great and so ideal, and I really do love the countertops as well. So currently my Roomba, well, fake Roomba, is going upstairs if you can hear it, because I wanted to clean the carpet, but we still need to clean the house. I just wanted to do this before anyone came. So here's our laundry room. We still need to buy our washer and dryer. Once again, tons of storage space. I'm trying to figure out the Wi-Fi situation. I went to Xfinity this morning, but we'll see what happens with that. And then here is a rack, which is so convenient and so much storage. Like, this is great. Here's the backyard. I'm not gonna get too much into it in today's video because I do want to make a whole backyard renovation video. I have so many plans for this backyard. It's actually huge, and I want to do a pool and a fence and just like make it super cute. So I'm not gonna harp too much on it. We definitely need to get rid of those trees, but I'm so excited. Let's move over here. So here is kind of like a breakfast area, like a breakfast nook kind of area. I love what they did right here. Can y'all see that? I don't know. Anyway, I love that. I'm gonna put like a little table right here, and I love the big window. Here's another door, and then here is our living room. Oh, I love it. So I love how they have this set up right here because I don't have to buy a console or an entertainment center, and once again, so much storage. So our TV is probably gonna go right here. Y'all, I ordered the Restoration Hardware Cloud Couch dupe, so I can't wait to show you guys. It was so much cheaper and the reviews are great. So here's the fireplace. I really like the gray accents of the house. I think they're really cool, so I probably won't change that. Then they had, I guess, a TV mounted over there, but we're gonna get rid of that, probably put like a painting there or something. And then we have a huge sectional coming and so many plans for this living room, so I'm super excited. Then over here we have even more storage. Okay, so this situation is kind of weird. I almost tempted to get rid of the doors and just leave it open, but my dad said this was supposed to be a bar because of that, so I don't know. It's kind of random though because it doesn't go all the way and it has a random light switch there, but it's cool. I'll probably put actually the dog food and just like all their toys and stuff in here. I think that would be a good use for this closet. So there's that. And then over here, the bathrooms are kind of gross right now. This house has been empty for a few months, so our closing date was actually today. Let me turn on the lights. I'm doing a horrible job because I never vlog. So here's a little bathroom and it's really, really cute. It reminds me of Harry Potter. Where's the light? Right here. So very nice, all white and super cute. So I didn't really show y'all, but this is where you come up the stairs. That's the backyard, the breakfast nook, and the kitchen over here. But let me show you my favorite part of this house. I'm so excited. So this is a master's. I believe my robot vacuum did a great job. And all the upstairs is carpet, which is not ideal. Don't love carpet, but that will be something that we're leaving for later on. I don't mind the carpet right now. So it's a pretty nice and spacious master bedroom. I ordered a California king bed and bed frame. I'm so excited because y'all know I sleep with my dogs and I just need more room. My fiance says that he's always like falling off the bed, so now he has plenty of room. So I might paint the walls here a little lighter because I do like my bedroom to be super light and airy, but I don't mind the paint too much. So let me show you. Are y'all ready? Oh my god. No. I'll leave that for a little bit. So here is the master bathroom. I will say for a master bathroom, this is pretty small, or like the layout is a little weird. So has this little closet here. I mean, it's huge. This is probably, not gonna lie, where my fiance's clothes will go because he doesn't need that much space, but plenty of room. And then this is one of my favorite parts of this house. Just look at this shower. I love it. I love it so freaking much. It's marble and I love the detailing. This shower head is so powerful. I'm so excited. And I love how it has a little nook there. I think it's adorable. So there's the shower. Like I said, oh, I'm sorry. The only weird thing is that usually master bathrooms have the double sink, but I will show you in a second why this one just doesn't. But love all the white. I think it just looks so nice and sleek. Huge mirror, which is perfect for me. Then here is a toilet in this room, which if you live with a guy, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm so excited to have more than one toilet. Okay, are y'all ready? I need to switch a camera. This is what sold me. Like when I saw this, I mean, obviously I love the rest of the house, but this is truly the most exciting thing of my entire life. Are y'all ready? I don't think y'all are gonna understand how excited I am right now because, I mean, y'all know the amount of clothes I have. Y'all know. And y'all know that little closet over there isn't gonna do it, right? Are y'all ready? Okay. I'm so excited. Look at my closet! Ah! Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm being so annoying, but y'all, this is my dream closet. It's literally an entire room just for my clothes and shoes, and I literally could cry. Like, oh my goodness, it's basically one of those like customizable IKEA closets. And look at this majestic room. Look at this mirror. I can't believe they left it here. It came with the house, I guess. Is anyone else just so excited for me because I can finally have one place for all my clothes? I've been keeping my clothes in 3 different closets in 2 separate houses for the past, like, I don't know, 2 years, and now I just have my own. Look at this mirror, it's absolutely wonderful. This outfit choice was not it, but who is freaking out because I am? Look at the beautiful lights. Y'all, I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Oh! And I don't know about this ottoman. This is definitely not gonna stay here. Obviously, I didn't choose it. It came with the house. But I want to turn this into like a pink, well, not pink, like the whole thing isn't gonna be pink, but like into a beautiful dream, like a Barbie closet. So stay tuned for that video. I could literally just sleep here every day and I would be so happy. So stay tuned for that, but let me show you the rest of the house. I know this is the most exciting part, at least for me it is. But y'all, isn't this amazing? And obviously this closet is connected to the master bedroom right here, and it has a window over here. I didn't really say where we're living for privacy reasons, but we are in Houston. We're inside the Loop, which is so exciting because I didn't want to go to the suburbs, honestly. And this is a great size. So here's my beautiful Amazon fake Roomba. Love her. So over here we have another room. This one is a little bit smaller than the master, and this is the closet. Once again, these doors are pretty old, so that's another thing that we would love to change, but we'll see what we do with the rooms. Obviously, when we have a family, this is perfect. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. So here is more storage, which once again, it's absolutely incredible. And then we have the 2 sinks over here. So once again, not ideal that they're not in the masters, but I don't really care. I love how bright this bathroom is. It's incredible. Another thing that eventually I want to do is put a bathtub in my master bedroom. Oh, no, master bathroom, because I love taking showers, but I love how they match this bathroom with the other one. Same thing. And then this is really cool. So it has more storage over here, and then this is to actually put your hamper and throw away, or well, not throw away, but throw the clothes through this little window, which is cool. More storage, and the double sinks, which is cool. So here we have more storage. I swear, the person that built this house and did it this way just had to know that eventually I would buy it because I have so much crap. Anyway, another room. This one faces the backyard, and here is yet another closet. So one of these rooms will definitely be my fiance's, his like playroom. I don't want to see the Xbox in this house. So one of these rooms will do for his Call of Duty and all, like his fantasy football things. And here's another huge closet, which is so exciting. And then this is the last bedroom. This one's pretty big too. And this one also faces the backyard. And we have 2 closets in here. We have this one, which is cool. And we have this one. So very exciting stuff. Like I said, a lot of projects that I want to do in this house, slowly but surely, because dear Lord, buying a house is freaking expensive. I need to get to cleaning. So give me 1 sec to say bye to y'all. Guess I'll show y'all like a little quick backyard situation. So it has this little covered area. I definitely want to turn this into like a wooden ceiling. No, not ceiling, roof. Wow, English. Lots of trees. The fence on that side was replaced, so definitely doing this side as well. And then we have lots of trees to take care of. Very big, tons of room for activity. And then the garage I'm not going to show you because I also want to turn that into kind of like a gym. So very exciting videos coming y'all's way. Oh my god, I cannot wait for the exterminator to come because I do not mess with bugs. So guys, what do you think? I'm so excited, y'all. I'm like freaking out. Just so grateful. Obviously, I will discuss this further, but I'm so lucky, especially during a pandemic, to be able to do this. And it just took a lot of saving, a lot of sacrificing fun activities, vacations, trips, going out to eat in order for us to save to get our dream home. But it was possible, and honestly, y'all, like big big thank yous to my dad. He was actually our realtor. He was just so helpful and so nice. So thank you, Dad. Love you the most. I'll leave his info down below if you want to hire him in Houston. But I'm just so excited for the future, for the rest of the year, for Christmas. Oh my god, decorating for Christmas is gonna be so exciting. So I really hope you guys subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. This is gonna be such a fun addition to my regular content. Tons of more Amazon finds to come, so subscribe. I love you guys so much. I couldn't have done this without y'all, so thank you guys so much. Stay tuned, follow me on Instagram, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will talk to you guys actually tomorrow because I have a get ready with me going up where I explain more about moving, the house buying process, and I open up about more personal things. So if you want to know a little bit more about me, that's a good video to watch. Anyway, I will get to moving, cleaning, decluttering, all that good stuff, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.